shortly after becoming a Rotarian, I found myself in Zimbabwe on a mission. And that was really the thing that brought it home for me. So it all started because one of our members was away on vacation, and she met a gentleman who brought her to a school that was in really bad shape. And he was looking for help on how to get the school repaired. She brought this idea to our club, and this to me is like the magic of Rotary. So our club then took that idea and we shared it with another club and with our district and with another district and the district in Zimbabwe. And before you knew it, I think it was like 6 months, maybe 6 or 7 months, that I was on a plane landing in Victoria Falls, and then driving 45 minutes out into the bush to help paint chalkboards